Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am finally going to play with my Diva box. So this one is Triple D's March Diva box, and it took me so long before I was able to play with it and swatch the colors. So these one are wrapped perfectly with bubble wrap, but I removed them already. So it comes with 4 Diva dip powders, and another powder is from GIGI'S Nail Co. She's the guest brand that Triple D highlighted this month. So it comes with her marble dips because she's famous with her marble dips. The box also came with that minty builder gel. It is called Minty Opulent, some wipes, and this one is nail sticker. So I am really excited with this nail sticker, and some manicure sticks. So that's it for this box. It comes with also with their cards. But yeah, here are the swatches of the colors. It comes with 3 solid dip powders and 2 of these glows, and the other one is a sun changer. It also comes with flakes, and the green there on the far right is the builder gel. So Diva Dip 46 and 47 are glow in the dark, and Cloudy Night is a sun changer or UV changer. So for today's mani, I want to go with a Diva Dip 46. This one is like a milky white color. I am going to apply that on my 3 fingers, and I'll be doing about 3 layers of this color. For my glitter, I'll be using Castle of Glass. This is GIGI'S Marble Dips. So I'm going to apply this on my pointer finger and on my thumb. So I actually have an in-depth video of how to apply GIGI'S Marble Dips. So I did 2 methods there, the dip liquids, and the other one is the gel method. So if you want to check that, I'll be putting it in the cards up and in the description box. So I just applied Triple D dip base, and then I am just dipping it on the cupcake liner because it's easier if you pour the powder in a cupcake liner. And then I am just cleaning my cuticle area, and if you feel like the dip base is still wet, you just have to dip your finger again in the powder, and also make sure to really press the powders and the glitters on your nail so that everything is laying flat. And again, just do the same process, press the glitters and the pigments properly, and if you feel like it is still sticky, dip it again in the powder. And when you feel that it is completely dry, you can already start dusting off all the excess powders, and you can apply another layer. So when it comes to GIGI'S Marble Dips, I just do 2 layers because her marble dips are really packed with different kinds of glitters. It's a combination of like shards, chunky glitters, and sometimes it also has like flakes in it. And her powders are so pigmented, so you don't want to overdo it. 2 layers I think is perfect already. So again, I just applied dip base and shake the cupcake liner a little bit so that I could get those beautiful chunky glitters on top of my nails. And using the manicure stick, I am just removing those chunky glitters that are near my cuticle area because I don't want any chunky glitters there. And again, while the dip base is still kind of wet, press the powders and the glitters so that everything is laying flat. So as you can see, it is flat and there are no chunky glitters that are sticking out. And if you feel that it is still sticky, just dip it again in the powder, and when everything is already dry, dust off any excess powders. Alright, so this is how it looks like. For the solid white, I applied 3 layers, and for the marble dips, I applied 2 layers. Now I am going to encapsulate the glitters, so I am going to first dust off using a stiff brush so that it won't look cloudy, and then I am going to use Sparkle & Co. Crystal Clear Dip Powder and just apply dip base and pour over some clear. So this clear will serve as a protection so that when I do filing and shaping later, I won't remove or file those beautiful glitters. Alright, so I just applied clear on those glitters, but for the solid, I just leave it as is. So now I am just dusting off all those excess clear, and then I am now going to activate. So after applying the Triple E activator, I'm just going to wait for a couple of minutes before I start filing and shaping. So it's actually just a minimal filing and shaping. I'm just going to use Triple E hand file. I'm just going to start first with the free edge, make sure that it is straight, and for the sides, I'm just kind of tapering it and achieve that coffin ballerina shape. And using a metal hand file, I am just going to really perfect and clean the cuticle area. So I am doing this. If you want an in-depth filing and shaping video, I also have one. I'll be putting it again up in the cards and down the description box. So after filing and shaping, I just use some buffing block, and using the rougher side, I am just slightly buffing the surface. You don't really want to overfile a marble dip because you might remove those chunky glitters. And yeah, this is after I filed and shaped everything, and now I am going to apply some nail stickers. I really wanted to incorporate these stickers on my mani, so I'll be using these waves right here. So this one is actually an entire one piece of sticker, and I really don't want to waste the sticker itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure it and then cut the stickers. What I really love about these kinds of stickers is that they are so thin, the backing is so thin, and it is transparent. So yeah, I'm just going to cut the stickers and let you guys watch, and I will be back. So here it is. I just trimmed also the sides, and for my ring finger, I'm going to use this wave because I think it is really cute and it the size and the shape is perfect for my ring finger. So I just remove it and just easily apply it on my nail. And since it's a bit curvy, what I did is I cut some slits in the middle. So I did that so that it doesn't have like that crease, or it will really lay flat. And I just cut some of those extra ones. And yeah, that's it. It's already on my nails. It is really so easy and I really love the design. So I'm just going to add one more on my middle finger. So I'm going to use the same one that I use in my pinky finger. I'm going to measure and cut again and apply it on my nail. I just want to show you my favorite scissors. This one is from Amazon and I really love how thin and precise it is when it comes to stickers and decals. So as you can see, I can just easily trim the stickers, and yeah, if you want to. So as you can see, I can just easily trim the stickers and it is really super nice. So if you want these scissors, I'll be putting a link in the description box where you can find them. Alright, so far this is how it looks like, and I know I said that I'll be applying my last sticker, but I decided to add one last. This is really the last one, and I'll be applying this starfish and I'll be putting it in my pinky finger just to add a little bit more of an accent. Alright, so far I am done applying all the stickers. So now I am going to apply top coat, and we'll be using Triple D's Delicate 2-in-1 Gel Base and Top Coat. So before I cure it in the lamp, I am just using the manicure stick to press the stickers and also remove all excess gel products on your skin. So after curing, this is now the finished look, and I really love how this mani turned out. These stickers are so cute, and this marble dip is really beautiful. So yeah, I'll be putting all the links in the description box, so make sure to check them out. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you again on my next one. Bye!